Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to find your Amazon Prime Video purchases. This is super helpful when you want to review what you've bought or rented, or simply access your purchased content quickly without scrolling through endless recommendations. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After you've logged in, take a look at the top toolbar where you'll see various options. Click on Prime Video to access the streaming platform. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can open Prime Video directly in your browser by typing in the URL, which makes the process even faster if you're specifically looking for your video content. Now that you're in Prime Video, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Watch List positioned right beside your profile icon. Click on that Watch List button and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Purchase and Rentals. This option is specifically designed to show you all the video content you've either purchased outright or rented temporarily, making it easy to keep track of your digital library. Once you click on Purchase and Rentals, you'll be taken to a dedicated page that displays a complete list of all your Amazon Video purchases and rentals. This list includes everything from movies and TV shows to pay-per-view events you may have bought or rented over time. It's organized clearly so you can quickly find what you're looking for, whether it's a recent rental you want to watch again before it expires or a movie you purchased months ago. This feature is particularly useful because it separates your paid content from the vast library of Prime Video's included streaming options, saving you time and making it much easier to locate specific titles you've invested in. You can also use this section to check rental expiration dates or simply browse through your collection of purchased content whenever you like. And there you have it. You've successfully located all your Amazon Prime Video purchases and rentals in one convenient place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.